Gachagua came from Madeira. So we want you to come clean and tell the Kenyans what is your relationship with that Nderi Gachagua Wangombe, the collaborator, so that people can then understand. And tell us also, if your father was a Mau Mau, what was his service number in the Mau Mau movement? The same thing with Kimani Ichung'wah. We have said, and I just want to underscore what these leaders from Central Province have said. They have said that they will not tolerate this, and we want to speak on behalf of other Kenyans, that we are fully in solidarity with what they have said. We will stand strongly in solidarity with our people, friends, brothers and sisters from the Central Province. Central Province is very much part and parcel of Kenya, and we will make all the contribution needed to protect these people against harassment by this illegitimate regime. Thank you.